supervise your children so that our story doesn't take any unexpected turns. Now you may be wondering, how will we be getting to the world of Storybook Land? Well, with the help of Monstro the Whale. Where there's a whale, there's a way. Don't worry friends, although it looks like he's swallowing us whole, he's really just helping us travel through the world of storytelling. As all of our stories here began, once upon a time, on our left-hand side, we find the cave of the Big Bad Wolf, where he spends his days chasing the three little pigs across the way. But fear not, friends, they are safe in their home. One made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of 100% wolf-proof bricks. Just around the river bend in a quiet English village, we find the home of Alice, where one golden afternoon, she followed a very late white rabbit down the rabbit hole, where she fell down, 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 into the world of Wonderland, where things got curiouser and curiouser. On the second star to the right, in London Park, Peter Pan met John, Wendy, and Michael Darling. With the help of Tinkerbell's pixie dust, they could fly off to Neverland, where they would never, ever grow up. One jump ahead in the mysterious and enchanted city of Agrabah, a street rat named Aladdin first bumped into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace. With the help of Genie of the Lamp, they soon fell in love, were married, and now live in the Vulcan Palace. Love blooms in all of our stories here in Storybook, just as the roses in the archways above us. The very same archways where Aladdin and Jasmine soared over, sideways, and under, on their magic carpet ride into a whole new world. Just like places of light and love, so too do we find places of darkness. Places like the Cave of Wonders, where its treasure's curse can only be broken by the Genie of the Lamp. Which, as whoever finds the Genie of Section 3 will be granted 3 wishes. Let's close our eyes, fade away, and see if it comes true. No one wished to escape the evil queen when she happened upon this cozy cottage to our right. Home to the 7 dwarves who offered her shelter in thanks for her kindness. On the other side of the page, Cinderella wished to go to the ball, but her wicked stepmother forbade it, locking her away in the blue roof chateau. With the help of her fairy godmother, Cinderella attended the ball, but when she failed to return home before midnight, her coach turned into a pumpkin. Now, although magic has its limits, thankfully love does not. Cinderella now lives up in the castle with her Prince Charming. And just like wishes, dreams inspire many of our stories here also. Dreams of a happily ever after, or dreams of lullabies drifting off to sleep on a bed of comfy flowers like the ones at our left, inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony cartoon Lullaby Land.
I like it.
Magic can be found all throughout Storybook Land, just like the magic in these miniature flowers, keeping them teeny tiny, with the help of Tinkerbell's enchantment. This is one of the many things that brought master storyteller Walt Disney to our world, and continues to inspire many new stories today. Stories like The Wind in the Willow, where Mole, Rat, and Mr. Toad can be found in the manor to our left. But unfortunately, friends, it looks like Mr. Toad isn't home. He may be off on another adventure in his motor cart on a wild ride to nowhere in particular. While in the kingdom of Arendelle, sisters Anna and Elsa met their friends Olaf, Sven, and Kristoff. Together they discovered something more powerful than Elsa's magic, the power of true love. Now in the outside village ahead, Woodcarver Geppetto wished for his puppet to become a real boy. With the help of the Blue Fairy, his wish was later granted with no strings attached.
The Pinocchio village.
Stories like Geppetto's can be found all throughout fairy tales, like that of the Little Mermaid Ariel, who traded her life under the sea to become a part of our world and live with Prince Eric in his castle to our right. Hers the story shadowed by her father, King Triton in the city of Atlantica, which ultimately ended in a happily ever after. So friends, our story has come to an end as we approach the dock, so you may include it keeping your arms, hands, and fingers inside the boat. On behalf of all of our storytellers, we hope you continue to enjoy your day here at Disneyland. The end.
You don't want to get on the boat then? Yeah? They have coffee there. Open your door. Maxie. Everybody make sure we're facing inside the boat, please.
Yeah, they're napping.
Alright, friends, any bags or backpacks are going to be off our back, place them on our lap or the bottom of the boat. My friends on my left hand side, watch your hands on.